Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Leica, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with the app and that will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and now all you have to do is to tap on the settings icon. Then let's go to languages, and here tap on add keyboard. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to basically find your language and then tap on it. So I'll pick maybe this one, maybe not, because I'd like to show you maybe this one. Because I want to show you the graphical language to actually see the difference. So here we've got our new language, and in this section we can choose the keyboard layouts. So now we've got one layout, but it strongly depends on the specific language. Sometimes you will have up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So just tap on done. And as you can see, we just successfully added the language to the list. And before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added. So after getting back to the keyboard, you will have this hint that you've got a new icon, which is called globe icon, thanks to which you can actually change the language. So now we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch to the other language. And this is how it works. And if you'd like to remove the language, simply tap on this settings icon, tap on the languages, and tap on edit in the right upper corner. Mark the language that you'd like to remove and tap on the remove icon in the right upper corner. We've got only English left on the list, and as you can see, the globe icon disappeared, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.